Where are you going? Where are you going?
I'm going to market. I'm going to market.
What will you buy there? What will you buy there?
I will buy some vegetables. I will buy some vegetables.
When do you go to college? When do you go to college?
I go at 10 a.m. I go at 10 a.m.
How do you get to college? How do you get to college?
By bus. By bus.
What do you study? What do you study?
I study history. I study history.